ladies and gentlemen, number 117, 131, 123, number 118, and number 130.
Our judges are ready. Face forward, and the judges can see your numbers.
Good job, Tina!
All right, Maruru ladies. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to acknowledge a couple of special guests we have in the audience. We have City Council members Mike Murphy and Josh Pedroso. Let's give them a round of applause. We're also still missing dancer number 302. 302, please report backstage.
302.
Needs to be backstage for the dance off.
If you know, answer 302. If you're an uncle of 302. If you have 302's number.
2 or 30. Go together.
30 and 2.
Yeah.
302.
All right, we also have the following dancers that are needed for a dance-off for beginner Tamarii, ages 10 to 12. The following dancers need to be reported backstage: number 68, 77, 82, 97, 95, 89, 86, 104, 108, and 111. Go backstage for a dance-off. We need to choose one of you guys for a spot to the finals. Again, dancers 68, 77, 82, 97, 95, 89, 86, 104, 108, and 111. Please report backstage for a dance-off. All right, judges, we're going to move forward with our Tamarii, ages 13 to 15 beginners. Let's bring our next group out.
On the floor, ladies and gentlemen, number 120, 126, 132, 119, and 122. sure that your numbers are visible to the judges. Maludo ladies, you may exit to the stage.
All right, we'll bring our next group of, how many, ages 13 to 15 beginners?
We have dance number 307, 125, 124, 134, 136, and skip it just a little bit, 136.
Judges are ready?
Ladies, please face the judges and make sure your numbers are visible. Couple of moments here. Thank you very much, ladies. You may now exit the stage.
All right, Marudo, let's follow Auntie back here. All right, we'll bring out our next group of ladies. Number E, ages 13 to 15, beginners.
On the stage, ladies and gentlemen, 133, 127, 135, and 121.
numbers are facing the judges, if they can see your numbers. And that concludes our Tamariri ages 13 to 15 beginners. Maruru ladies, please follow Auntie back here.